Up first this evening, we begin with news that there's chaos in the city as a heavy downpour caused major flooding on the Mandela Highway.
This creating significant traffic snarls on the main gateway linking St. Andrew and St. Catherine.
It's the second time in recent weeks that motorists have been left frustrated due to flooding, which translates into a pileup of traffic. TVJ's Andrea Chisholm reports.
A section of the Mandela Highway with a new description, Mandela River. This has been the scene since minutes after 3 Monday afternoon. Hundreds of motorists cautiously crawling through dark brown water in the 6 miles area. It was enough to trigger a tweet from the National Works Agency, warning motorists that traffic was backing up on both sides of the dual carriageway and they should brace for significant delays. And significant it was. When nightfall came, the gridlock became clearer. The ripple effect was seen on Washington Boulevard and Spanish Town Road, which both lead to the 6 miles area and the Mandela Highway. Our news center spoke with Garfeen Anderson, who described what he saw in the vicinity of the Nestle building.
The water was just settling, it would not go anywhere. So when it started to rain at about 3, I was actually very surprised when I just saw cars stopping. I had some cars pulling over on the road in front of Nestle just because I don't think they thought they could have crossed it. So they literally stopped to let the rain ease off, I guess, and to have some type of a reprieve. Up until the time I left, I think the water subsided a bit, and I did see workmen there. I presume that they're trying to clear, as you said, some of the blockages, but it was hell.
Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.